Hello there. Today we'll be talking about 10 steps to ensuring financial discipline in your business. Have you ever wondered if you're making profit or loss in your business? Do you think it's actually possible to be very detailed in your bookkeeping? Welcome to Straight Talk with Dr. Yide, where we talk about financial discipline and wealth creation. I am Dr. Olaide. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I think you're missing out. Why don't you subscribe right now, then hit that notification bell so you get notifications every time I post new videos. Now straight to the chase. 10 steps to ensuring financial discipline in your business. Now we'll be talking about how to instill financial discipline in your business, your brainchild. Do you have a business? Have you started something, no matter how small, but yet find it difficult to know if you're making profits or know if you're making a loss? The very first step is to open a corporate account. Yeah, you can't escape it. For you to run a fantastic, successful business, you should have a corporate account, one dedicated to that business. Number 2 step, ensure that every dime made that day runs through your corporate account. Why have I said this? This ensures that you have an accurate representation of how much really came in and how much went out through your account. At the end of the month, you can always print out your bank statement. Your books will be balanced in that way. Okay. It can also help you in terms of loan acquisition. Another benefit of that is when you approach investors, they want to look at your books. If you've not been running your funds through your bank account, you will not have an accurate representation of how well or how poorly your business is doing. I mean every dime. Do not spend the money. We'll talk about that soon. When you don't spend the money, ensure that every dime runs through your corporate account. Step number 3, never spend the money made today for today's expenses. How do I mean? Imagine 150,000 naira comes into your business today and you have a need of 50,000. You should have made money yesterday, day before yesterday. You spend money from previous transactions, not from this one. This one must go through your bank account, like I said, and never spend money made today for today's purchase. Learn to design a petty cash program, something that caters for every day running around for your business, buying of fuel, buying of consumables, whatever you need to do, whatever you need to spend money. Ensure that your running cost doesn't come from your daily spending. There should be a petty cash program dedicated to such. Step number 4, like I keep saying, compartmentalize your money. There should be a compartment, a certain percentage for salaries, a certain percentage for savings and investments, a certain percentage for daily purchase, a certain investment for charity, whatever you want to do. But be very meticulous with your finances. Don't just lump all the company's finances in one big bowl of soup. You will confuse yourself. You will never know what fund is meant for what. And it gives you this big idea that you're doing very well because you're seeing so much money in just one account. Step number 5, open sub-accounts. Now, what are sub-accounts? You have a main corporate account. Now, this corporate account can have sub-accounts. Remember the compartmentalization I spoke about earlier? You can compartmentalize it this way by opening sub-accounts. You have an account dedicated to salaries, still under the same corporate account. Not that you're opening different accounts. Just go to your account officer and ask for a sub-account, and you must give them the right reason why you're opening this account. You're opening it for better financial management of your business. You open one for savings and investment, you open one for salary, you open one for day-to-day running and all the needs you have envisaged. Step number 6, pay yourself a salary. I can't overemphasize this. Don't get distracted by money coming in. This is a business. You should treat your business as a single entity separate from yourself. I know you're the proprietor, but you should still place yourself on a salary that you must be strict with. Ensure that your feeding and family expenses are kept on your salary. But don't load your personal needs on your business. You can or might even kill your business that way. Treat your business like a separate entity, like a brainchild, a child that is developing. Never forget that. Step number 7, treat your business as a separate entity. At the back of your mind, see yourself separate from your business. Stop thinking that, okay, I have 5 million naira in this business and that is my money. No, you have a certain percentage. If you want this business to grow. You stop looking into the finances and ensure that any capital project that is needed by that company should be funded by the company. If you can follow these steps, always learn to treat your business as a separate entity. Step 8, pay your taxes regularly to avoid being on the wrong side of the law. You already know what your taxes are. You know what you're meant to pay. Your daily bills, your electricity bills, your waste bills. Ensure that you pay this consistently. That's why it's very good for you to compartmentalize your funds so you know what percentage is going to what. I can't overemphasize that. Step number 9, question every expenditure. Is everything really necessary? If it's not, scrap it. You don't have to buy everything. Remember the concept of delayed gratification. It applies here as well. Only buy things that would ensure the growth of your business. At this stage, your business needs to grow. If you don't follow these steps, you would not grow. You would only have issues to say that I once had a business. Have you heard people say that running a business is almost impossible if you don't have funds? You have to run it by loans. No, you can run it if you are this disciplined. You would amaze yourself to see what you can do with compartmentalizing funds, putting everything where they are meant to be. Step number 10, train your staff to follow these policies. Ensure that they buy into this idea of delayed gratification. Everybody is in this together. They understand that we don't spend money made today for today's expenses. You don't need to buy diesel. You don't need to buy fuel for money made from today. When your staff know this, or the people in charge of your finances know this, they would help your business grow. I hope you've enjoyed these 10 steps I just listed. Please do well to give yourself to this. You would not regret it. If you just found this video interesting, I would have you like, share, post your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till we meet again, same time, same place next week. And don't forget, health is wealth. Bye.